Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can send view once photo or video on Telegram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to send a photo or video to this account, for example. So I'm going to open up the room chat with this account. And to send a photo or video, we can select this icon, and here we'll be able to send file, location, contact, music, photo or video. And since we want to send photo or video, we can choose the photo or video we want to send to our friend. And I'm going to choose photo or video from my gallery. I'm going to select photo from pictures folder. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, I'm going to send it. And if you want to send the photo as view once photo, you can click on this icon, number one icon like this. And then I'm going to select view once since we want to set it as view once photo. Okay. Okay, now the photo has been set to the view once photo. And then the photo will be disappeared after they opened this photo. Okay, you can add caption before you send it to your friend, and then once you're ready to send it, you can click on the send button. Okay, and if you want to send the view once video, the step is the same. You just need to go to the attachment, and then you can choose the video you want to send. For example, I'm going to send this video. Oops. Select the video like this, and you can simply click on the symbol. Okay, then select view once. All right, and once you're ready to share it, you can click on the send button. Okay, that's easy, right? If you want to send the view once photo or video to your group chat, you just need to open up your group chat, and then you can repeat this step I've told you. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to send a view once photo or video on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.